friends, today we are learning about Christmas in Canada. Now Canada is also in North America. It is the country that is right above us. So if you're taking a look at our world map, you can see the USA right here, and right above us is Canada. Now Canada is very similar to us and they celebrate similar to us as well. But in Canada, it is very cold on Christmas. Now some parts of our country it is. In our particular place, it's not that cold. We don't get snow, right? Skiing is a very popular outdoor activity. So a lot of times you might see them skiing on or near Christmas. Children like to send Christmas cookies and cards to their friends and family. A popular treat is a chocolate Yule log cake. Eggnog is another yummy Christmas treat. So let me know, have you ever tried a Yule log or eggnog? So children leave their stockings out for Santa to fill with treats, so just like we do. So now that we've learned a little bit about what it's like to have Christmas in Canada, you're going to head over to the next video. We're going to fill out our paper together. Now our virtual classroom today is a little bit different. There wasn't a virtual classroom for Canada's Christmas because it's so similar to ours. So what I did was I found a virtual classroom that is all about Canada Day. Now, Canada Day is not celebrated like Christmas. It's actually celebrated in the summertime, and it's a different celebration. So it's probably similar to our 4th of July. They celebrate their country. So you'll see some stuff on Canada Day. You'll also see some stuff on Canada. So you can kind of get an idea what the country is like and a different celebration that they celebrate. So make sure you go enjoy that classroom and you can learn lots there.